In this video, I'll show you how you can delete videos on TikTok. So all you need to do for this, and by the way, this will work on Android and iOS as well, is open up the TikTok app, of course, then go to your own profile page, and you should then be able to see all of your videos. Now, I've only posted one video on this account as I'm not actually on TikTok just for these videos. So all I need to do is click on the video that you want to delete. So I'll just go with the only video I have on my page. And then on that video, you want to click on these three dots right there. You'll then see this where you can scroll to the right, and then right there you'll find the delete icon. If you click on delete, you can click on delete. That makes sense. And if you then do that, you can actually delete your TikTok video. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works. Subscribe for more, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.